It has now been over 3 months since I was first monetized on YouTube, and I'm staying true to my promise to share exactly what that looks like for myself, a small channel. As I'm filming this, I have just over 3,600 subscribers. My videos fall mostly into the finance and lifestyle bubble. I'm sharing my aggressive journey to pay off 6 figures of student loan debt, how I'm building wealth, and how I spend money in alignment with my lifestyle goals. And of course, I mix in a few vlogs for those of my followers that want to get to know me better. I hit 1,000 subscribers sometime in fall of 2024, and then I hit the 4,000 watch hours in December of 2024. If you're not familiar, those are the analytic requirements that you need in order to be considered for monetization on YouTube. At this point, I had been posting on YouTube for years, but I had only focused on my content and consistency for about a year. So when I finally did buckle down and focus on consistency, as well as started to learn how to actually make better videos, I'm still learning, I noticed a pretty massive scaling in my subscribers and watch hours. But ultimately, the track I was on, I was gonna hit the 4,000 watch hours in about June of 2025. But what happened was I had one video that blew up relative for me. In this video, I was talking about what my net worth was at 25, and this is what really pushed me over the edge to monetization. So that was pretty cool to have happen. But the downside is when you have one video on the front end of monetization, well, you'll see. So by the time YouTube processed me for monetization and gave me the go-ahead, it was December 6th. In this time between December 6th and December 31st, I posted 7 videos and 4 shorts. My channel got 73,000 views. That's insane. 3,500 watch hours, 873 subscribers, and I made $282.45. If we go into it, my highest earning day was $18.52, and my lowest earning day was $5.45. My top performing video was, of course, my net worth video that was at 43,000 views at this point, and then everything else was significantly behind that. But I hadn't seen thousands of views on any videos except for some of my longer lasting evergreen videos. So seeing 1,000 views like this one that I posted on December 14th, having that video get 3,000 views was still growth for my channel. So then if we roll into January, so from January 1st to January 31st, I posted 4 videos, and I believe I posted a short. So my posting had definitely slowed down, but as you can see, there's also a downward trend in my views. I got 33,800 views in January, 1.4 thousand watch hours, and an increase of 377 subscribers with a revenue of $104.58. My top performing video in this time period was my net worth video. It amassed another 14,000 views, and much closer but still pretty far behind it was my how much YouTube paid me in my first month being monetized, which got 3,000 views. So as you can see, this top video is definitely slowing down, and then no other video is doing what that video has done. That's okay. That's what happens when you have one video pop off. So then if we go into February, February was also slow. I posted 5 long form videos in February. I was traveling and working kind of a lot, but I got 15.8 thousand views in February, 693.9 watch hours, gained 123 subscribers, and made a total of $63.47. So since being monetized, this was the first month that I didn't hit the $100 payout threshold. I just didn't make enough money. My top earning day this month was $5.57, with my lowest earning day being 82 cents. It's interesting to see that in my first month, when I had that one video kind of going crazy, my lowest day was what my highest day is 2 months later. And this is the first month that my net worth video fell to not my highest performing video. It actually kind of tanked a lot. It only got 1,600 views in February, so it just completely fell off the charts relative to what it had been doing. And I posted a how I paid off $16,000 of debt in 7 months video, and that got 2,000 views in February. So that ended up being my highest performing video that month. And then March 6th would technically be my 3-month timeline, but I'm filming this in April, so I have all of March analytics. So let's just give you March's numbers, shall we? I posted 4 videos and 5 shorts in March. And in March, my channel got 18.6K views, 467.9 watch hours. I gained 73 subscribers, and my revenue was $39.44. My highest earning day being $3.72 at the beginning of the month, and then I also made $3.68 at the end of the month, and my lowest paying day being pennies, 43 cents. During this time, my money reset was my highest watched long form video at 1,000 views, so that net worth video has completely fallen off the charts here. here. Womp womp. So if we put it all together, between December 6th when I was first monetized and the end of March, so just over 3.5 months, my channel brought in 141.7 thousand views, 6.1 thousand watch hours, 1.4 thousand new subscribers, welcome to all of you, and $489.93. Having the option to have an additional income stream is definitely something that I am super grateful for, and 500 bucks over a few months is definitely not no money. I'm absolutely so grateful to have it. But my goals are to keep making better videos, continue to share my life with you, share my own financial journey so that hopefully I can inspire and educate some of you, and overall just welcome you into my life with high quality every single time. We'll just see how it goes, but go ahead and tag along for the ride.